Love spinach pie but short on time? This quick and easy recipe will save you hours without sacrificing flavor. Stay tuned for more. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, add flour, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, a drizzle of olive oil, and a cup of water. Stir everything together until the ingredients are well combined. Now lightly flour your work surface. Transfer the dough onto the work surface and knead it slowly with your hands. Knead it until you get a smooth, soft, and non-sticky texture. Once it's ready, put the dough in a bowl. Cover it and let it rest for a few minutes. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly. Then chop the parsley into small pieces. Then chop the spinach. In a preheated pot, add a spoon of olive oil and add the spinach. Sprinkle into spoons of salt and let it cook for a few minutes. Once cooked, transfer the spinach to a bowl. Add some cottage cheese. Add 3 beaten eggs. Add the chopped parsley and pinch of black pepper and a bit of nutmeg. Mix everything well until the filling is perfectly combined. Roll the dough into a long shape and cut it in half. Then cut each half into 6 smaller pieces. Take each small roll and using some starch, start rolling it out into thin layers. Once all the rolls are expanded, we brush each one with olive oil. We stack them to form 2 main layers. one for the bottom and one for the top of the pie. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Take the first main layer and stretch it so it has the size of the baking pan. After oiling the pan, we place the layer inside the pan. Place it inside, making sure to press the edges into the corners. Now we evenly spread the spinach filling over the dough. Once the filling is set, place the second layer of dough on top, sealing the edges carefully. Finally, drizzle a little olive oil over the top for a beautiful golden crust. Now it is ready to go into the oven. Bake for about 30 minutes. And that's it. In no time, you have a perfectly baked spinach pie, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside.